Hi guys, I got this gift from SCMHRD. So I normally get the mugs from the colleges. So this sounds like something interesting, so let's check it out. So we have a file here, folder. So folder contains two things. One is a notepad and second one is the formula book. So it's basically a placement brochure come formula book. So we're given the formulas and a little bit marketing about the college. So about placement record and all. So great. So that's the first part that I think is common for all the students as well. Second is the gift which I'm more excited about. And let's open. I just hope कि ड्राई फ्रूट का डब्बा ना हो. Let's see what is this. So okay, wow. So we have a purse, leather purse. ये मेरे को चाहिए था यार. Always I normally get dry fruit and mugs. So the first time I'm getting something which I can actually use. So we have, I think that sounds like a lady's purse or more of a card holder. Normal wallet which I'm going to use definitely. Phone. So you call the carton with SCMHRD logo. Keychain and a pen. That's something. Thank you very much SCMHRD. So there's something I can actually use. So great. So it's a good gift. Thank you. Thank you.